Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix or reduce the high RAM or high memory usage in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with opening first our run window. So to do that, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this run option, or you can just simply go in your keyboard and press the Windows R key altogether. And once this run window is already open, all you need to do is just to type here regedit. And then once you have done that, we will be clicking now enter or okay. And then you will get this user account control window coming up. Just please click on yes to proceed. And here we'll be looking for the NDU folder. So let me just minimize everything. Okay, so please proceed with HKey local machine and then click on system. And then we will now be going with this control set 001. Proceed with services. And here we need to look for NDU folder. And once you found it, you will be going directly to the right section. So let me just quickly look for NDU folder. NDU. This one, found it. So here in the right section, once you click on this NDU folder, you will see in the right section the start option. So just please select it, make a right click on that, click on modify option here, and you will see that the value data will be set to 2. Since I have already changed it, I already changed it to 4. So if you're seeing that the value data is not set to 4, then just please change it to 4. And after doing that, just please click on OK, and then just close this window. Make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just go open again the run window. Here we need to type services.msc. Services.msc. And then once you have already typed it, just please click on OK or enter. And you will be getting the services window. All you need to do is just to look for the sysmain option. So please select one service here and then type in your keyboard S so that you will be brought to the S section, and then it will be very easy for you to find for the sysmain. So this one. So once you found it, please make a right click on that, click on the properties option, and then set the startup type to disabled. So if it's not set to disable, then just click on this drop down button here and then select the disabled option, and you can now click on the stop button. So since this is already stopped, that's why it's grayed out. The stop button is grayed out. So if you can click on this one, please click on that, and then it will be, or the service status will say stop. And then once you're done with this one, just close and then click on apply and then okay to close this window, and then close this window as well. Make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye.